Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chanel again, and we are continuing in episode 4 of my Solotica contact lens color review. Today's color is, girl, y'all know I'm out here struggling pronouncing these names for these contact lenses. She's a Rio Ipanema. Rio Ipanema. I'm gonna go with that one. Today's color is this one. There you go. Anyways, she is a Hidrocor. This is one of Solotica's most popular colors. For any of you all who don't know about Solotica, let me just give you a quick little rundown. Solotica is the world's most natural color contact lenses out there for you all. They have their own website that you can now shop with them, which is www.solotica.com. So definitely shop with them. I have a promotional code for you right here that will save you some dollar bills, because y'all don't deserve to pay these prices out there in the streets. Solotica is FDA approved. Just for you all who are wondering, are concerned, they are safe to wear, and they have some fast shipping, if I'd say so myself. Ships to over 60 countries, FedEx Express, and gets to you in 3 to 4 business days from the point of click, send order to your doorstep. Who doesn't want that? And Solotica contact lenses come in prescription as well as non, and are great for those who do suffer from astigmatism. For little old me, it's blind and struggles. That whole astigmatism thing really does help. As always, with packaging, for those of y'all who don't know, they come in the cutest little Solotica box that flips open. It gives you all your product information in there. You get some really cute, adorable stickers for you all who love that, as well as a cute for you instructional book that tells you how to wear your contact lenses as well as store them. And of course, inside you get your actual color contact lenses. This is the box mine came in for the Hidrocor Rios. You get with the color contact lenses, the yearlies, the individual contact lenses actually come in a glass case like this, unlike the normal pullback ones you would normally get for quarterly or monthlies or yearlies. The yearlies are stored in a glass individually. So they're a weird way to open them. You gotta use tweezers, pop off the metal framing around the side to then be able to pop off the top to then pour into your hand the contact lens from there. But of course, you always get a storable contact lens case. So with all your contact lenses, you do get a case to store in. That's basically it. Back to the Rio. I want to say empanada, but I know it's not that. But anyways, this is the Hidrocor Rio, whatever that second word is. And it is an absolutely gorgeous color. The Hidrocor is a yearly contact lens, so compared to the other 3, which were with the Aquella contact lens line with them, those were all quarterly, so they're only good for 4 months, while the yearlies you get 12 months of wear. Now with that, I do say the difference in texture and feel, yearlies are definitely heavier contact lenses. You will feel it when you first put them in. You will notice the difference concerning thickness, but now that I'm wearing them, they're obviously a lot more comfortable, and I barely notice they're there. I feel like with the yearlies, you know that you got something in your eye versus a quarterly or a monthly or a daily for sure. With how heavy of a lens that is, it's just generally not the best for your eyes for long-term wear. So you get a really pretty color and you get to have it for a really long time, but you guys should generally be wearing them just as a go outer. Want to change up your look for a few hours. I wouldn't sit here and try to wear them daily on an everyday basis for 10 to 12 hours like I normally do with my other contact lenses, because just generally you're gonna have so much irritation on your eye. Is the reality, and they're just not that comfortable to be able to do so. In the long run, it could cause problems. That's just my 2 cents. The logistics for when you go online to shop with Solotica and using my promotional code, because you don't want to pay those prices. For the Hidrocor Rio lens, they are $39.50 per lens. So unlike the quarterlies where you're paying $50, but for 2 lenses, you are paying per lens. So it does have you select right or left when you are purchasing them and what prescription to place them in. So just keep that in mind when you're shopping online. For the yearlies, Solotica describes this particular lens as this unique lens presents a medium blue and green color with a soft yellow overlay that looks both stunning and surprisingly natural. Inspired by the beautiful sandy shores of Rio, this color captures the blend of the sea and sand perfectly. I really personally love this color on me. As you all know, and watching all my previous videos, I have been wearing gray color contact lenses for literally like the longest. That's been the color I've stuck with for sure for at least the past 5 years. And when I changed to the brightest gray I could get prescription wise at my eye doctor, those sterling grays generally sometimes, depending on what I would wear and the lighting, a lot of people thought I was wearing blue contact lenses. And I was like, no, they're technically gray, or they thought my eyes were blue. I don't know why people out here thinking that these are my real color, like my real eyes, but I greatly appreciate it. But at the same time, I question, like, why would you think this? But okay, I'll take it. So, but people would always generally think I had blue contact lenses half the time and not gray. With this particular color, I absolutely love that it's blue and green that come through the color so much, with like a hint of like a gray. I don't know. The blend of this color is just so unique and just so gorgeous, and I love the contrast it gives me. It's like a bright color, kind of like the Belize gray. Like it does almost give you like I'm staring into your soul, but it's not as overly bright and like eye washing out as that gray was. I think you get picks up of color a lot better with this one. Like you get that hint of like that yellow, that green, and that blue like all blending together, and she looks phenomenal in photos as well. So she's definitely, for me, I will happily wear her every single day if she was comfortable enough to do concerning wearing to work. Like I said, the longer you wear a yearly concerning our wear, the more uncomfortable it's gonna get versus your quarterly or your monthlies. But she definitely gonna be giving you vibes out on the streets during your nightlife. Your photos are gonna be lit, point blank. Your eyes are gonna pop out, looking all gorgeous. People are gonna be like, who y'all, who your daddy, who your mommy, like what you mix with. You're gonna be out there catfishing real hard, which I greatly appreciate a good catfish. I don't ever hate on a good catfish moment. When you can catfish me in person, then you know your skills are on point. And that's what this Rio is giving me. Yes. Just stare into my eyes and let me take you on a full vacation. But let me stop being extra. But yeah, that's basically my review for these. Absolutely love the color, the look, no complaints about the wear outside of, like I said, she's a heavier contact lens. So with that means you're gonna feel it in your eyeball. And the longer you wear it throughout the day, the more you're going to. That's the price you pay. You wanna keep it for a year, you're gonna feel it. And like I said in all my videos, just Solotica itself, for how they make their contact lenses, you're gonna get a little bit of hazing. That protein buildup is gonna be real, and it could affect your vision here or there. That's just the reality that I've noticed with these contact lenses. So I wanna keep it truthful, and that's the tea. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think about this yearly, the first one in this series. Are you liking the yearly versus all the 3 quarterlies I just showed you previously? What you thinking? If you had to rate 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the series so far, which color are you loving on me? And do tell me down in the comments down below. Of course, don't forget to use that promotional code if you want to go out there and shop and catfish yourself. Go out there, buy it, girl, but don't spend all your dollar bills. And I will see you all on the next episode. You guys take care. Bye.